Hey everyone! Today I will be showing how I potted my Pachyphytum Oviforum, and I have this soil mix that I ordered at Amazon.ca. So this is the Pachyphytum Oviferum that I ordered here in the seller here in Toronto, and it is a big stems already, big chubby leaves already, and I will try to repot this with my own soil mix. And this is the pot that I choose for her, and it's a pink with touch of bluish and white, so it's a pale pastel color. So what I have in my soil mix is a gritty rocks and composed of some lava rocks, some pebbles, akadama, and vermiculite. So I just do my own soil mix, and I don't have any proportions. I just follow what others do. And on my right side, this is a coconut core that I will try to put maybe just a part of this to my mix instead of the cactus soil. I will see if it's it will work on my succulents. So most of the largest percentage or large ratio is gritty soil, and that's it. So I will try to put it on my pots and pot my Oviferum. So this is a very enjoyable process. It is like something different aside from my paintings, and I really enjoy doing this. So since my Pachyphytum Oviforum has a big stems, and half of this will go on half of my pots, so I will remove first the old soil here and some of the the roots. I just collected my succulents last December, and I just do it on my own experimentation. I remove as much as possible some of the old soil here, and just careful on the roots, but I guess it is stable already. It is very therapeutic doing some plantings or repotting as well. So I hope you watched until the end how I came out repotting this Oviferum, and I will see you on your channel. So bye everyone.